Hi, friend. Welcome back. If you are new here, I am grateful for you. If you haven't already done so, I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. And if you appreciate my content, please give me a thumbs up. Just helps me get human design into the hands of everybody on this planet. Today's conversation is going to look a little different. What I'd like to see happen today is you connect with the frequency that is your God code. That is your human design bodygraph. That is your blueprint. That is your map to self-mastery. First, my name is Leann Wolff. I am a human design and BG5 professional. I'm an incessant researcher. I'm a coach. I'm a teacher. And I am an online course creator. I help men and women all over the world break through their fears and their pain to step into self-mastery. So today I want to offer up just a very, very quick meditation as we stand in these unprecedented times. I've done a few videos about this, so you can go back. 2027 was something that Ross spoke about a lot. And it looks like we are, walking into the cusp of this heavily on our planet at this moment. So in order for us to honor the evolution that is taking place, it is so important for us to connect with the frequency that is our design. So over the course of the next few minutes, I would like to offer you a few minutes to go within and connect to that frequency. So if you don't already have your chart, grab it online right now. If you can, pause this, or put it in your mental mind. Put it in that mental picture so that you can really feel the frequency of this. It is important to feel this. Of course, most of the videos on my channel and most other human design channels, they're providing you with an intellectual knowledge of this. This isn't about intellect today. This is about you connecting with you so that you can stand in the beauty of that frequency and you can honor it as we walk through this completely new energy. All right, so if you can lay down, great. If not, please continue to stay seated. Of course, don't do this while you're driving or in a tub or any of that. So we're just going to walk through, allow for your breath to bring you to a place where the nervous system does not have to be so overtaxed. The sixth gate, I'll give you a little bit of intellect here. The sixth gate is the diaphragm. Breath is so important to our experience. The sixth gate is in the solar plex, and it is our regulator. It is our pH regulator. It helps our alkalinity and our acidity. When we breathe shallow, the physical body becomes very acidic. When we take in deep breaths and breathe it in and allow for the oxygenation of the body, we allow for that alkalized energetic to come in and balance us out. So again, if you have had the time to grab your chart, either sit or lay down, that would be awesome. And let's just take a moment. Okay. So feel your physical body wherever you are, laying down, sitting up. Okay. So relax your jaw, close your lips, relax your jaw. And what I'd like you to do is breathe in through your nose. and feel the breath touch the back of your throat. And as it does so, watch how naturally your stomach rises, your chest rises, and you can give it one last inhale and bring all that energy all that prana right into your head. So let's try this, let's test this out. So relax your jaw, close your mouth, breathe in through your nose, allow it to touch the back of your throat. Naturally, the stomach rises, the lungs fill, and we can bring that oxygen right into the brain. So let's do that for a few moments. Exhale how you'd like to, either through the nose or through your relaxed mouth. Okay, good. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to allow for the physical body to relax right from the top of the scalp down to the toes. So as you continue this rhythmic breath, a more alkalining body, continue to breathe. Put your focus at the top of your head. Relax all the muscles in your scalp. Relax all the muscles near your ears. And allow for the sensation of relaxation to happen as you breathe. Move your focus to your face. Allow for the forehead, the cheeks, and the jaw, tongue, throat, all to just relax. Take your focus to the shoulders. Go inside the muscles of the shoulders, where we all continue to hold all of this pressure and stress, and let those muscles relax through your shoulder blades, down your arms. Let your hands relax. Focus on the chest. Feel that rhythmic breath. And relax all the muscles in the rib cage. Let them just take a rest. Bring your focus to the spine. Start right at the very top of the spine. And relax all the muscles. Feel the fluid, spinal cerebral fluid, flowing as it washes away, protects, and loves the nervous system. Bring your attention all the way down the spine, right down to the tailbone, coccyx. In the hips, relax the hips. Continue to breathe. Nice, deep, deep breaths. Now walk through your upper thighs. Let everything relax to your knees. Through the calves and into your feet. Allow everything to just relax. Take a few breaths. And just feel that as you bring the frequency of your human design into your mind. See the beauty of that design. See the beauty of that map. And feel that frequency. See the power of it. See the compassion of it. See the kindness of it. And now feel the power, the compassion, and the kindness. There's nothing to figure out. The mind can relax as we just feel the frequency. So now as you breathe rhythmically, when you get to the in-breath and you inhale, give it a moment and hold that breath. Now release. One more time, breathe it in. And release. And as you continue on with this pattern for a little bit, recognize in your human design body graph what is you? What is you? Hold that in and allow yourself to feel that frequency. As you breathe out, now breathe back in and feel the openness of the human design body graph. And breathe that out. The beauty of this blueprint, this God code, provides you with the self-mastery of self and the wisdom of an experience. Breathe in the wisdom. And breathe out your knowledge. Let your frequency permeate out across the cosmos. And those that need to find you will find you. Those that need to bump into you will bump into you. Those that you need will present themselves in perfect timing. All right. Take a few more breaths. All right, begin to wiggle your toes, your hands. Give your spine a little shake and a twist and a shimmy. Then you can come back. The whole point of this today is so that we can honor that we're not here to figure it all out. We're here to represent that frequency and allow for life to flow through us in these unprecedented times. That's what we have. We need to go within and we need to have this frequency be our world. So as you walk into the world today and you see what's going on, just take a moment and continue to put that image of that body graph that is you inside your mind's eye. And go back to the feeling of feeling that frequency and emanate it. Because right now there is, there's lots of distractions happening and they feel very, very, very personal. Just be that God code and honor that God code. All right, my friends. May that bring some peace. May that bring some satisfaction. May you feel success deep inside your bones. And may you be in awe of the beauty of our evolution. Enjoy your self-mastery, and please go forth and live your God code. Thank you.